Good morning. This is our first full day aboard the Allure of the Seas. Today is an exciting sea day, and we're starting it off right with breakfast in the Windjammer. So
Yeah.
I've got a vegetable omelet, which was already prepared. Usually, to get an omelet, you have to stand in a long line, so it's kind of cool to see it was already prepared. Some pineapple, watermelon, chicken sausage, and bacon. So trying out something new.
Yeah, and I got my standard breakfast that you guys have seen every time. Bacon, eggs, hash browns. Oh, actually, I did get a little bit of corned beef hash here. So, and then second pair found us some coffee.
Coffee's pretty good.
So, starting the morning strong for a long day on the ship. We've been sitting here in breakfast next to the sport court watching this intense game of pickleball. And this group right here, closest to us, has just been intense. And then the group beyond them looks like they're just having fun. And third group furthest from us looks like they're just playing for the first time. So it's pretty interesting. But this sport court area is crazy. Yeah, 2 flow riders in the back. There's a mini golf, and then through the big open area of the is that the boardwalk? I think it's the boardwalk,
Yeah,
right?
that's a little boardwalk.
You got this whole zip line action going on. But these pickleball players here are definitely intense.
So, as far as our first Windjammer breakfast on Allure of the Seas, I would have to say that this is probably one of the better Windjammer breakfasts that I've had across the fleet that we have sailed on. Food seemed fresh and hot. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'd have to agree. I enjoyed the breakfast. The hash browns were really good. I think you'd like them. They're very crunchy.
They looked like it.
So that was nice to have a good breakfast to start off. So what are we going to do now? I need to go find some other coffee.
Yeah, maybe check out the Starbucks.
Starbucks? We have to pay for that one. It's not a part of our drink package. Park
Promenade
Cafe? Promenade Cafe? All right. Yes, coffee. So Central Park on Allure of the Seas is so much nicer than what others have put on YouTube. It just really doesn't do it justice. You actually have to be present and experience it for yourself to see what it's really like. But it's really nice out here.
It really feels like you are truly in a park. Like,
Yeah.
There's live plants. I mean, they're dead right now, but there's
Yeah.
live plants. There's sounds of birds. I mean, it's
incredible.
It sounds, but
Yeah, it's amazing because you don't even feel like you're on a cruise ship in the middle of this place.
And the funny thing is, all their little restaurants have like umbrellas, so that if it's raining outside, you can take an umbrella to get inside the ship. It's pretty cool. It's well set up.
I can't believe it. I don't know many numerous YouTube videos we've seen of Central Park, and this is incredible.
So when we were in the Windjammer, we had decided we would go to the Promenade Cafe, but instead we decided to go to the Park Cafe. So I got a cappuccino, and Michael got an iced latte, and he also got a bagel that looks pretty good.
Let's check this out. I got a plain bagel, plain cream cheese, smoked salmon, and a little bit of onion, and then iced latte. So, yeah, sitting in Central Park, man.
It's very relaxing.
I'm obsessed with this place. So we got our bingo cards during the pre-sale, and we actually hit Emerald today, and so the guy told us to visit the Crown and Anchor section, booth, whatever it is, so they could reprint our cards. So
because we got 2, 4, 6, 9 extra bingo cards for being Emeralds.
So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was a total fail. They just told us that we officially hit our new status after the cruise. So yeah, there's no such thing as reprinting your cards. That was, luckily it didn't take very long, but Oh well, so you guys know too. Back at the Schooner Bar for our first round of the day. Yeah. Mimosa and Grey Goose and Sprite?
Yeah.
Nice. You're making your own tortilla? Oh, not tortilla. Taco?
My own tortillas for our local.
That's pretty good. Got nachos and quesadillas. What do you think?
The line was longer. I don't know.
Alright, so what did you think about Loco Fresh?
I thought the meat itself was like a 5 out of 10. It was okay. It's a good, quick meal, but I don't think it's something I'll look forward to in the future. One thing to note is that they did not have any corn tortillas, and apparently their chips are corn and flour, so I did bring on my own tortillas. So they were sealed, packaged. I was able to get them through security, and I looked it up here. So it would be a solution.
We are set up for bingo. We got tablets.
That will play for us.
We got all of our cards.
Cards. We have these cards, and then we also have additional
Extra cards because we're
for the
Emerald.
big game.
But yeah, there's a cost, $62 package is basically what we got. So, which includes a tablet, cards, additional cards, scratch off. You gonna win this time?
Likely not, but I'm going to have a good time.
Gonna make up for my casino losings. Actually, I didn't lose that much, so we're good.
This is just
It costs money to have fun. Come on, winner. You're gonna win something?
I hope so.
How many are you supposed to match?
It said match any. We need the scratch off tool, like the on TikTok.
We don't have a coin, we're using a C-Pass card.
I won $5. Keep going.
You gonna win more?
Hope so. $5 isn't that much.
Yes. Eyes on the screen, Michael. That is a good claim on bingo! Oh, come on, everybody. Be nice. Be nice. Come on. Give them a round of applause. Come on.
Check that out, guys. Winner.
22671.
First
Yeah.
game out of the chute. Winner. I even said it prematurely.
22671. Eyes on the screen. That is also a good claim on bingo. We're up to 5, and we've got one more lady.
Freaking one bingo, guys. It's like $156. But we got our money back. So that was fun. Jealous? I won. We just did poorly at trivia, general knowledge. 13
We did
out
about
of 20.
as well as we would normally do without additional help.
Gosh. Yeah. Rough.
Yeah, it was rough.
But I still won at bingo. So that was good. Now we're going to get ready for Aqua Show and
Yeah,
dinner.
I'm so excited. We got reservations into the Aqua Show, which is the entertainment I really wanted to see aboard. So I'm excited. And
Yeah.
then after that, we have dinner at Sabor, which is the Royal Caribbean Mexican style restaurant, which is actually pretty difficult to find on Royal Caribbean ships. So that should be a pretty unique experience that I'm excited about as well.
Hopefully the Aqua Show is a go because it's slightly breezy.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to go check it out outside. Yeah, it's slightly breezy out here, so hopefully the Aqua Show still goes. So, but it's the weather's been beautiful today. Again, just a slight breeze, but sunny and just extremely comfortable outside. So it's been really nice. But yeah, got a long day at sea. It's been fun though. Did a bunch of different stuff, a lot of trivia, bingo, of course. We did go to the casino for a little bit in the afternoon. Just a nice, relaxing day, and excited about our dinner and of course Aqua Show. Keep talking about. But yeah, didn't win at bingo, so we've never won a bingo on a cruise ship, so that was fun. So hopefully more to come. Barely made it to the Aqua Show. Our cards didn't scan, so we had to show our reservation.
Well, even with the reservation, you have to get to the theater 15 minutes before the show starts, and they open up standby 10 minutes before. So if you show up 10 minutes before, even with the reservation, your seat might be given up to standby. So you got to get here early. And we got here 2 minutes before that happened.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I was stressed out.
I mean, there's like a huge standby line, and it looks like they just starting to let people in. So I'm starting to flood back in. So it's crazy. Definitely, if you don't have a reservation, get in line. Get in line early, because just be able to get a spot. We're sitting all the way in the back, because we have a pretty quick reservation at one of the specialty dining restaurants, so we wanted to get a good spot. What was your quick review of the show, Aqua Show?
It exceeded expectations. That it's a show that I'll be happy to see multiple times, and is definitely the best entertainment I have ever seen on a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. And Royal Caribbean does entertainment very well. So,
what was it called? Aria?
Ocean Aria.
Ocean Aria.
2 thumbs up, 10 stars.
Yeah, that was
Everything that you
definitely
can
10 out
give
of 10.
it. Yeah, it was awesome.
That was
It
crazy.
was 15 out of 10. It was awesome.
Plus, on a moving cruise ship,
I know. And it's a rocky cruise ship. Like, you can see the water moving side to side. So, I mean, those are true athletic, acrobatic performers. They're incredible.
yeah, those 2 guys were
Yeah.
jacked. For them to hold up each other like that was ridiculous.
They were balancing on each other's shoulders, and then the guy squatted. The guy they're only balancing on each other's shoulders. That was insane.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So we started at Sabor
Sabor, yeah.
and got these jalapeno.
Cucumber margaritas.
Yeah, these look awesome.
It's very mildly spicy. It's good. I like it.
We got this massive thing of guacamole, pico, and some chips. Gluten-free chips, he said.
Gluten-free, yeah.
I'm not really sure how, but it's apparently gluten-free. Divers game. What'd I get again?
Queso tomato.
No, this is queso fundido. What they said. What'd you get?
Red snapper ceviche.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, we also got what else is this? What is this called?
Bacon wrapped chicken, jalapeno chicken.
Jalapeno chicken.
Right?
That looks pretty good.
It does look delicious.
Still got a ton of guacamole here.
Yeah.
But this looks good though. So what'd you get? Food's here.
The steak tapaqueña.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Looks
We were
good.
arguing the pronunciation beforehand. But look, I got DIY tacos. Shrimp. No, this is fish tempura.
Yes.
Tacos that I make myself. And then we got flatas. And then same steak thing over there, huh? Try it yet?
Not yet.
Well, you gotta try it now. After you cut it.
Well, I feel like after last night, though, it's kind of a...
Well, it's good. How does it
That's good.
compare to all the steak that we had last night?
Last night was a different experience, but this was very good.
All right. So here's what's left of the dessert. Flan, churros, cinnamon
Yeah,
churros,
churro.
some banana something, and then this.
Cafe de leche.
This was good. That one was actually pretty good. So I got the flan too. So Everything's good.
We're hoping for a towel animal.
Yeah, we'll see. We didn't get one last night. First night, though. Second night.
There is one. It's
You
tiny.
got one?
It's a tiny one.
What?
It's a mouse.
Oh, what?
Look, it's a mouse.
Oh, it is.
I like the small ones.
It's pretty cool.
It's a first for us, a mouse.
Yeah. Look at that. Nice. What is this?
Somebody's missing
Unfortunately,
luggage.
we got a notice for missing luggage?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, if you weren't convinced that we loved the Aqua Theater show, Ocean Aria, well, you should be convinced now because we just watched it twice.
We did.
And every time a new scene came up, it was like, oh, I love this one. Or like, oh, this is the best one. Or this is my favorite. Oh, this one's the most impressive. So if you have the opportunity on All Over the Seas, see Ocean Aria and you won't regret it. If you can't get reservations, go up to the rock wall and you will have a great view. That's where we watched it for the second time. So take that tip.
Yeah, because you were able to see
You saw all the
everyone from
angles.
the high divers.
Yeah, how everybody was diving into the pool. It was a great view. So
Absolutely impressive.
it was.
Just
I'll watch it 2 more times. It was so good.
I was shocked. It was so good.
It's even more impressive from that advantage of looking down into the pool. It's way more impressive.
Yeah,
if
sure.
that's even possible.
For sure. That was good. And then what'd you think about dinner?
I really enjoyed dinner. It was more of like a traditional flavored Mexican cuisine, as opposed to the more Tex-Mex cuisine that we're used to at home. But I really enjoyed it. The steak was delicious, which is hard to get that flank steak style, like tender and juicy, but they nailed it. So it was very good.
All right, guys. Tomorrow we're going to be stopping in Cozumel, and we're getting pretty close. So I don't remember what time we're supposed to arrive, 8 o'clock or something like that. And I think we're supposed to get back on the ship around 3:30. So, but we're getting close. So it's actually starting to get slightly rocky. That makes it even more impressive about the divers.
Oh, yeah. The water was sloshing in that pool. I mean, it was... The ship was moving. I have no words. I have no words.
It's
It was
absolutely
just
ridiculous.
Incredible.
10
There's
out of
no
10.
words for it. You just have to see it. So go see it.
Yeah. And we've been talking about this
We're going to talk about this forever.
constantly. It was crazy. So, but with that, catch you guys in Cozumel.
See you in the next one.
Yeah. Later.
Bye.